This year we crossed over 100,000 installs for Bold Upsell. We invented upselling for Shopify in 2012 as the first upselling app ever on Shopify. Today, we're helping more stores make even more money with things like AI-powered upsells, upsell funnels, and so many more places you can show offers like upsells by email and customer portals in and after checkout, and so much more. I'd love to show you how you can have upsells running on your store in less than 5 minutes and be making 20 to 40% more on every single order starting today. At the core, an upsell is simply a highly relevant offer presented at the right time, in the right place during your customer shopping journey. And here's what that might look like on a product page. There are a few things happening here, but the first to note is this is a true upsell. When I accept this offer, it will upgrade and replace the original item I added to the cart. That's a true upsell, and almost no other app on Shopify does this. They do cross sells, which add to the original item being purchased. Now, we of course do cross sells too. So when I accept this upsell offer, I'm now presented with a cross sell that will add to the items in my cart. So I can upsell and cross sell. Now, this offer is also in what we call an upsell funnel. Now, funnels let you show different offers depending on whether the customer accepts or declines the first offer. So depending if I accept this offer or decline it, I get a different subsequent offer. These are often called downsells. And here's an example of someone buying a coffee maker that's getting offered a premium grinder. Now, if I decline this grinder, I get downsold. How about this slightly less expensive grinder? Now, when you're upselling, you can also have more than one option. For example, when I add this coffee maker to the cart, I have 2 upsell options. Either one will upgrade and replace the original product. And you can see how it shows just the upgrade value. And when you're offering cross-sells, it can be for one or an unlimited number of products like this. The upsell offers can actually become mini shopping experiences where you can add multiple quantities of one product, different options on another product, and so on. And it's great because product images even change as customers shop and pick different options. You can see how this will really start to maximize cart size in a hurry. And this is really just the beginning. With Bold Upsell, you can show impulsive one-click offers on the fly-out cart drawer like this, and these convert extremely well. Then, when customers click checkout, you can show a whole new offer for one, multiple products, or even another whole entire funnel. Then, of course, one-click offers in the checkout like this. These are amazing. With Bold, you can place these anywhere on the checkout page. Over here by the order summary, this is always good. And we've actually seen stores crush it down here by the complete order button. And then, most important, and the one that I recommend every single store turn on, is upsells after checkout. Once a customer places an order on your store, they are 5 times more likely to accept another offer than a new customer. These convert extremely well. Upsells after checkout don't require a credit card, address, or anything. It's just one click and it's added to your order just like this. Merchants told us they loved our upselling engine so much, but they wished they could also send offers by email. So we added that too. Now, after a customer places their order, they can offer an upsell by email that's unique depending on what they just purchased. So it's super relevant to what they just bought. I'm going to show you how to set these all up right away. But for those of you that might also be using both subscriptions, which is a lot of you, you can do really neat things such as upselling a one-time purchase to a subscription. So when a customer adds something one time to the cart, show a reminder of how much they might save if they subscribe and any other benefits of being a subscriber. And also customer portal upsells where they manage their subscriptions. Did you know 92% of customers visit this page? With Bold Upsell, you can create tailored upsell offers unique for each subscriber based on what they're subscribed to. And best of all, because they're a subscriber, they don't even have to check out. It's just one click and it adds it to the next shipment. And then in upcoming subscription order emails too. These are one of the most opened emails, so it's a perfect spot to show offers. You can create offers that customers simply need to click and accept. And that's it. Again, no credit card, no checkout, so no friction. It just adds it to the next upcoming shipment. You can set these offers up yourself, or you can use our AI smart offers and just sit back and watch the sales come in. To set up an offer, just simply click create offer, then give it an internal name, and then select if you want it to be an upsell or a cross sell, and then what you want to trigger the offer. It can be triggered by all products, some specific products, collections, product types, you name it. Then create your offer. Give it a compelling title, a reason people should buy, and then select what you want to offer. You can choose whether customers can add more than one product, select quantities, and if you want to create funnels, just enter more offers if they accept or decline. Let's actually add one for each now. So if they decline this offer, let's show an offer for coffee topping. We'll give that a call to action and then select the coffee topping here. And now, if they accept the offer, let's actually do the same thing, but with slightly different copy. So let's put that in, select the product, and that's it. Now you can select a start and stop time if you want, and you can also make it show if there's a specific cart value the customer's reached. And basically that's it. Now let's flip this live and let's go check it out. Now here's the product we selected as the trigger. Now, when I go to add this to cart, I'll see my offer for the coffee syrup. And if I accept it, I get that follow-up offer that I just created in the funnel. It's that easy to increase the average value of every single order in your store. But if that's not easy enough, just head over to the settings tab and flip on AI Smart Upsells, and we'll do all the work for you. Smart offers use your store's order history, plus Shopify's recommendations, plus customer behavior, and it gets smarter over time. I mean, let's face it, the cost of acquiring customers is greater than it's ever been. It's so important to maximize the value of every single opportunity you get. Bold Upsell is probably the easiest way to make more money on every order through your Shopify store. It's completely free to install, no code required, and during trial, you'll have access to all features, unlimited everything. So you really have nothing to lose trying it out, only a ton of extra average order value to gain.